Naka-prepare na lahat.
Ooh! Ikaw. Wait, me a spider, a spider, a spider, a spider.
They couldn't stop you for long. Such a fun place where it's all nowhere. Nothing can stop this crazy cat. I heard it was a customized hat. Bad cat, bad cat, bad cat, bad cat. Find the club, found your way.
Wait, I will just restyle.
Tapos basa ng schedule.
I will restyle.
Dahil mag-a-adjust ka.
I will just restyle.
Walang pasok. Tapos di mo lang. Papapasukin niya yung...
Wait, I cannot
Ganun pa,
do.
ganun siya katindi magbilis ng ano.
I will just restart again.
Paano kung may nagplano kayo na alis nun? Pero delikado yung
Back.
ginagawa niyo. Kasi syempre, pag may nangyari sa bata,
Oo, kasi pinapasok namin.
pinapasok na.
Kahit yung mga party na yun, halimbawa, siyempre, yung mga parents, merong
Wait,
ibang lakad, eh, siyempre, yan.
I will follow you.
Meron ako
I will follow you.
Kasi
Ay, paano ka?
nakapaalam ko, hindi na nga, hindi ko na pwede yung mga
Okay lang naman.
I'm here.
Makalabas ka pa na ng mga 2 to 3 days na
Pwede.
bago
Pwede ako rin babas.
Oo, kaya
Parang VIP ako.
Sa ano, kung ako man doon lang pa, mag-visit.
Uy! Christmas Eve! Christmas Eve! Wow, Christmas Eve!
tapos yun yung
Christmas
ano,
Eve!
yung school.
Wow! Christmas Eve! Santa Claus, where are you? Where are you, Santa Claus? Where are you, Santa Claus?
Ay, ganun ba? Elementary ko sa bago.
Oo.
Oh no! Oh. Oh no! And look at this. I broke the star.
Dun sa, yung dito nila,
Ho, 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 ho.
Wait, you need to go.
kasama ng tita niya yun. Doon sila nag-rest.
Hindi yata susunod.
Hindi alam niya kung isang
There.
Kaya nga, sinabi ko na sa kanya.
hindi niya alam.
Sabi ko, bakit doon ka lang?
See?
na.
I teach you.
Nakalipas na yun.
Wala na.
Wala na. Kasi ang alam nga namin, ang rerenta na yung malapit.
Yun nga din.
Oo.
Yun ang sinabi niya din.
Oo, yun nga.
Ay, ibig sabihin pa iba talaga siya. Hindi pa
Eh,
You cannot see.
ay, hindi na tapos yung may-ari.
sa pasyon.
Bro, sorry. I broke that. I broke that. I just
Pero ang ganda talaga yun sa kabila.
I was a
Oo, dati maganda yun.
I was a toilet.
Sasampa ko dun dito.
Oo, dati.
No, I don't like it. I was a toilet.
Eh, sa elementary, sa Bisay,
I was a toilet. I was a toilet.
kaya naman
Kaya nung paano
hindi kasi yung
I was a toilet.
ayun yung ginagawa niya.
I was a toilet.
ngayon. Eh, may ako
Wala,
ng teacher
sabi
na
mo
gano'n.
ano. I was a toilet. No.
Parang nag-aaral sa kanya yun.
May kanuwang!
Di ba meron mga
Oh, what's this?
okay, doon ko kaya
It's a boat. I think it's I think it's just a game. Yeah, I don't like that.
alam, tsaka alam mo yun.
Wait, there's another secret. Hey, there's another secret. Here. I said don't touch it.
Dahil nakita yung
Alam mo yung bago ng pandemic. Yung mga teenage bago yun eh, 80 plus na lang. Bago ng pandemic yun, ang ginawa na
Wow, I'm skating.
25 pa. Hindi,
Oh, we can do spectacles if they didn't like us.
mahirapan siya.
Yay, idea! There's a swimming. Look at that. they're sweeping. They keep sweeping. Ito yun.
Hindi niya nalaanan.
Nag-super tayo. Look, they are all sweeping. They are sweeping in the background. They are sweeping in the background. Wait, why they sweeping? Why is sweeping?
Mabait ka siya eh. Kasi pag yung ibang mga
Kaya kumbaga, hindi niya makasakata. Yung mga iba, kailangan niya talaga ng management.
oo. Tsaka hindi, meron ba siya dati kaya
Oh, I like those
pag
snowflakes.
pag yung magulang
I like the snowflakes.
sa awan,
They are sweeping now.
mag
Look at those others. They're sweeping.
yung hard sa na.
Oh.
Everything is sweeping. Everything is sweeping. Bro, how you become a penguin?
Tapos dami mo pang gasto sa labas, diba?
How you become a penguin?
Pero kung
Like, do you become a penguin? You should kill them.
Marunong mag-manage. Hindi, tsaka kung tinatapos yung mga, ano talaga, yung
eh tapos,
pautang mo,
kaya
business,
kaya
pautang,
kayo
pautang.
nag-rescue siya. Hindi naman napabayaan niya lagi siya
Ayun pa,
hindi naman siya nakakapag-linis.
Yay, baby too.
Meron
Then,
Wala rin.
eh, araw-araw umaalis siya.
oh my dude is sweeping. I'm sweeping too. Nin, nin.
Dalawa ito, nagkamukha na kayo katawan ka.
Kilala mo ba yan?
Kamukha na rin natin yung
Ate, ate.
Riyan. Sila, sa
Sabi
Riyan.
mo, ano, ate Lian. Ate Lian.
Riyan. Wala ka.
Okay. Now I'm going outside in the beach. Oh my god. Skip dum 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 yes. You was sleeping.
Kaya nga sabi na,
Yeah, I can. Oh no, oh no. He's gonna fall down.
Dati sila yung nag-aaral. Nag-aaral. Hinihintay sa patakas na yun.
Ay.
Kasi malakas na yung resistance eh.
We're playing
Dati
basketball.
hindi makit doon.
I all make them sleeping.
nai-stuck yun sa matagalan.
Masaya.
Kaya, baby. Kaya
I'm making all the walls so they can sleep
Ay, amin na
properly.
yung natulog. Dati naman ako yung dito. Sabi ko parang hindi na
Now they have the abandoned house. Look,
uwi ka na.
look.
Tapos,
Sirain. Tapos lumabas.
basta may oras.
Siguro nakahuli.
All the penguins are dead.
Oo, siguro.
All the penguins are sleeping.
Kasi sabay-sabay yung patakas na yun.
Where you go in the Christmas event? Yeah, it's just free.
Parang painting naman nila.
Ayan, kailangan sirain mo lahat bago makapag
Hindi. Keep carrying? Six?
Sirain mo lahat ng lahat.
Let's go.
Dito ka wala? Dito ka yan? Sa taas dito na yan?
Look at the face.
Bumaba na ba si Angel? Tanong mo. Tapos si Angel ang ganda.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. Oh my God, my cup. My cup. My cup of full.
Hindi man ang pakiman.
Oh, here. Why is that about? Oh, there's a golden thing.
Kasi hindi ko pa sundan yan. Ilang taon na. Oh, ilang taon na ba? Ilang taon na ba? Oh, sundan pa naman.
Number between penguin. Oh, this who cracked this?
Sabi niya.
Who cracked this? I didn't crack.
Why I don't have sister? Aidan, isa niya. May sister. May sister.
Oo, yung mga sa ano na, di ba?
Pareho sila, tigdadalawa. Siya wala.
So I cannot jump.
Sabi ko tama mo kay daddy. Tinanong niya, why are you not making me a sister? Sabi niya. Eh, pagod ako sabi ni daddy.
No, we have the king tower.
Nag-iiba pa siya pagbiling niya.
We got the king tower. It's my king tower now. Oh my God, my pineapple. I will eat it.
Maliban ako, ibuna mo lang ha.
2-7 pa nga.
Ano yung S26?
3. Isa may
What's
Oh,
this?
i-plus mo diaper mo. Ayun, diaper mo.
Bye-bye. I will go in my bathroom. I will go in the bathroom.
monthly, pedya. Hindi naman pwede yung mother.
I will pass my bathroom.
Why did I even have that?
Sa dami nila na.
Wait, how you can
Sabay-sabay ba sila rin?
Sobrang alaga sa
Oo, na.
Wala nang pinanganak kayo. Kailangan na.
you are in between penguin?
Kaya kasi
Oh my God, I
Don't taunt Flamingo.
flamingo. I can swim in the toilet.
Poor Harvey.
Oh, there's another toilet. There's another toilet.
I built that with my unicorn.
Why I cannot join you? Because there's a broken. I will. It's that because there's a hole.
Ano ba nilalaro?
Yan tawag niya sa'yo Lian, bro. Tawag niya sa'yo, bro. Sis yan eh. Hindi kasi yun na. Hindi yun yung tawag.
Yun kasi ang ano.
Joke lang, joke lang.
Joke lang. Ate Lian.
Ate. Hindi kasi uso ngayon.
Oo.
Bro.
Ito si bro. Bro.
Kahit na babae.
Ito si bro. Bro.
Hindi naman iba. Kahit na
Bro. Boy, you're so brown, bro.
Now I'm riding in the car.
Kaya pa nagtagal, grabe yung slang eh.
Look, I'm riding a car. This is my car.
Sila din.
No, I'm driving. I'm driving. I was twisting gravel. You are winning joy.
Smoosh around with my cat, my flowers.
What flower?
Nagsisira ng gamit.
Bye-bye, guys. Oh no, who put this here? Who put this here? Oh no, I exploded.
Put that there.
Who put it there? Wait, I'm top of the ceiling.
Ito yung maganda.
Ceiling of the house. I broke it and it exploded to me. Oh no, my outside, my drink. Oh no, my house is gonna collapse. Yay, I get a new house. Hey, we get a new house. Yeah, this is my house. What is everything in this house?
Natutulog si mama.
No, we just did this.
Oh, bumalik ka.
Roll, roll. What are you doing?
Yung mga pro. Yung bakla ko sa sayo.
What is it? I'm cleaning the house.
Oh, automatic. Ikaw ba naman, di ba? Saka ikaw ba naman, di ba? Saan ba yung malolo? So,
No, I bathed. No, I bathed. I bathed. I bathed. I bathed. I bathed. Oh no, look at the restaurant here. Look at the restaurant here.
nagal mo yan. May puluto ba yan?
Someone will fight.
Ay, lipat na siya.
Bro just he's going.
Ayun sa inyo. Eh, sabi niya, mura lang presyo sa mahal niya. Hindi ko bago lang.
Kahit kung ano, mura din sa amin.
Yung high school ka.
High school, elementary.
Mura yun, di ba?
You got it?
Ngayon doon siya. Tapos makikredit kasi.
Bro, yes, let's go in the Christmas event. Look at this I made.
Ayun yung view.
Bro, what just happened?
Mamaya pa.
We wish you. I just broke my doll. Aha, it just a toy.
Babalik ng 3.
Bakit yung schedule?
Ayan. Walang mananiwala na
Oh, a
naligo ka.
snowball.
Naligo nga.
Snowball.
That's him.
Isa na yung siya.
Tapos na.
Bro,
okay
that
na.
cat
Bukas
is
na.
flying.
Bro,
The white one.
Eh, hinayaan mo.
bro, I will get you.
Oh.
Pag nag-aaral doon, siguro na
That's it.
Hey, it's me. It's me. Wait, penguin.
Mamaya na ako sandali.
Wait,
Kasi
Ay,
you need,
commute lang siya eh.
because you need to broke all the penguins in the skating. And you will get the penguin. If you explode the penguin in the skating, you will get the penguin in the skating. Follow me.
Kasi nandoon lang yun.
Where are you?
Eh, ano pa naman yun? Mahina.
Where? I can see you now. Here. Go on.
Where?
In the skating here. This is where the skating is. Yes, it's there.
Dito?
Yes, go there, go there.
Dito? Sa taas?
Eh?
Yes. Yes. It's there. It's there. There is. It is there, see?
Penguin.
No, we can explore the penguins.
Ayun, nandito.
Correct all the square. But you need to be the man first. You need to go in the clothing and go in the man. Now you can extract all the penguins. When you press the penguin, you become the penguin. And now your eyes become this. Yeah, just go here. And just wait. And now you can exploit them.